Mr. and Mrs. Flicker are here. Northern shafted flicker, yellow. Beautiful woodpeckers. Ah, there he is in the sun. That's the female. That's the male. His head is all red. I shouldn't say that. I can't see that. I can't see that well. Looks like the female. Oh. Always look up, like the birds. Looks like another female, two females. His mate just flew off. The yellow is so beautiful on this bird. Everything about this bird is beautiful. I must go now. One laugh before I go, though. I love it when they do that. The squirrels bury and pat it down. And that's the mockingbird singing, by the way. This is Blue. Blue never misses a chance if I'm standing at the door. Give me a peanut. Aww. He's been very busy burying. There's a big rainstorm, hopefully, tomorrow. That looks like baby Blue. He does like the bath. Busy backyard. Okay, Blue, time for you. You beautiful bird, you. Peace.